Hey everybody, it's me Sissy and this is Pokey. Say hey Pokey. Yes, say hey. And that's Jealous Body because I'm holding Pokey. Pokey's not mine, but he's my grandbaby.
Oh,
he's my son's pup. So anyway, so this is Pokey. He was another rescue we got from the local animal shelter. And he is such a sweet baby. Aren't you, Poke Poke? Yes, we love Poke Poke. Alright. Okay. Alright. Okay, so Sissy's back. I've got a Dollar Tree haul for you. One or two good things, some craft things, some food, and some usual household stuff. So we're going to get right to it and get this video out of the way, so hopefully I can get in there and make some craft videos for y'all. But anyway, I'm going to start with my favorite thing I got.
That's a cardboard.
It's a sign. It's a little sign that says farm fresh, locally grown produce with the apples on it. That's really cute. I'm going to put that in my kitchen. Yeah. And it's got the little metal leaf. And it's painted green. I might kind of take this green part off because I'm not so hot about that. But that was one of my favorite things. And my next favorite thing, which I don't know for sure what I'm going to do with these. These are the Color Your Own. And that's Mama in the background burping as usual. But this is the Color Your Own wooden ornaments. These are ghosts. And I got the 5-pack with the leaves. Now I've got a really simple little easy DIY coming up with these. It's really cute and really quick, so stay tuned for that. But those are really cute. I think that's all the craft stuff I got. The rest of it's mostly food and a few little things. My second or third favorite thing I got was this cute little letter set with 2 cards, 4 letters, and 6 envelopes. And of course it comes in this little reusable pouch, but it's the no problema. And then it has a little llama note paper. So I just thought that was adorable. I had to have it. I can't remember the last time I actually wrote a note or a letter, which I guess we really, as a whole, everybody ought to do it more. We depend so much now on text and emails and voicemails. It's nothing like a handwritten card to let somebody know you really care. So anyway, I'm going to try to be more mindful of that.
Okay.
Okay. So then we got some vanilla frosting. This is for my son to go with his. This is a new flavor of mug cake for him. You get 4 in the pack. It's Duncan Hines. This is the apple cinnamon oat cup mix. So it sounded good, so I got that for him. He loves the other flavors. And I got a satin pillowcase, which everybody online says that with curly hair it's best to sleep on a satin or silk pillowcase. It doesn't disrupt your curl pattern and all that stuff, and the back of my hair stays flat all the time. And for those of you who did ask, yes, I did cut all my hair off. It's 9,000 degrees here and it's really hot, and I just felt like a change. You know, every now and then we need a change, a restart, a reboot, so I'm going to try it with no hair. But anyway, I kind of love it, I kind of hate it. So I really wish it was long enough I could just pull it back in a ponytail, and I spend most of the days I'm like, why did you cut it? But I do like it. So I got some bagels.
I wouldn't with anybody that couldn't.
You wouldn't? Okay. No. Okay. But we got some bagels. This is a really good price for bagels. $1. So they seem nice and fresh. I got these for Mama. She likes spaghetti and, you know, stuff like that. So that'll go good with it. And I got the Inspire Ultra Fresh Body Wash for Men. This is for my son. And it says compare to Irish Spring. And it smells really good. It kind of smells like Irish Spring. So I got that for him. And I got another bottle of the Fabuloso, the Refreshing Lemon. This smells really good, so I've enjoyed that. I got a bottle a couple of hauls ago, or might have been the last haul, but anyway, I've really enjoyed it. It smells really fresh. Then I got 2 of these Cooking Concept little pitchers with the snap-on lids. I use heavy cream in my coffee, and when you buy it from Walmart, it comes in a nice little container with a screw lid. It looks like a regular milk carton, but it has the screw cap on it, so it stays nice and neat. But I'm trying to stay out of Walmart so I can stay on budget. I've been just buying my groceries at Aldi's, and they have a good price on their heavy cream, but it comes in a regular spout carton, and it just freaks me out that it gets so nasty looking. So I thought I'd just pour it into these and it would be neater and I wouldn't get so freaked out. But anyway, that's enough about my craziness. I got my son the Nissan chow mein. He just likes the noodles, and this is real convenient. He can heat it up, and then when I do my meal prep for the week, I'll cook like a whole pack of chicken thighs. He'll take a chicken thigh, cut it up, and put it in, add some teriyaki, and he's got a meal, and he doesn't mess up my entire kitchen, so I love it. I got some of the Baker's Harvest garden vegetable crackers. I got these for Mommy. She likes these. And I got her some Aldi's pimento cheese so she can have her little snack or pimento cheese sandwich, whichever one she wants. And then I got the Riverton Valley ranch dressing. And sometimes I use this ranch dressing. It's not the best for low carb or keto. It does have soybean oil in it and all kind of really bad chemicals, but sometimes I take it and I kind of cut it with a little bit of apple cider vinegar so it's not so thick, and I kind of like that. But it's not the best choice, but it is very economical, $1. So, and then I got my son the Supreme Tradition teriyaki marinade. He likes that, so for $1 you can't beat it. And then I just have a few more little things, and because this was a really quick trip, I didn't really think I was actually going to go to Dollar Tree this week, but my sister came by and wanted to go, so we ran and just picked up a few things. I got some LA's Totally Awesome bleach. This is the tropical scent. Y'all, if y'all have watched my videos, you know my favorite's the lemon, but they didn't have any, so I'm going to give this one a try. And come on, Dollar Tree, get my lemon bleach back. And I got the Cooking Concepts little tiny tongs to go. Y'all might have seen my, let me see where it is. One of my videos, I did the little tiny spatula to go with my little tiny frying pan, so now I have the little tiny tongs. I didn't need it, but it was so cute I had to get it. Anyway. And then I got my Ziploc slider seal 12-sack freezer quart bags. I love those. Get the family pack of chicken thighs and I can divide them up and put them in there and toss them in the freezer, or cook them all and put them in there and put them in the refrigerator. Then I got some of the Gain Original. This is 15 sheets. It's probably a better value to buy the big box at Walmart, but I don't really use these a lot. Just like if I want to freshen up my blanket, the dog blankets especially, I'll use some of these. And speaking of my pups, my dog waste bags, because y'all don't just let the poop stay in the yard. Pick it up, bag it up, and dispose of it properly. Okay, and then I got two different kinds. I thought these were the same. I wasn't looking. I got the Rubbermaid take-alongs. Trying to do more meal prep. I've been doing low carb for a while, and I've lost a lot of weight, and here lately I haven't been losing any. I don't think I've really gained. I mean, I haven't gained 100 pounds or anything. I haven't gained. I was still wearing the same clothes and everything, but I feel like I'm kind of at a standstill, so I'm going to kind of look at what I've been eating, because I've gotten real comfortable with the low carb, so I know there's carbs, extra carbs creeping in, because, you know, serving of nuts, one serving of nuts is fine, but the whole box of nuts is not so fine, even though it is low carb. So I'm going to try to be more mindful of how many carbs I'm getting per meal, doing more meal prep, fixing my portions, and if y'all want to come along on that journey with me, I think I'm going to do a video series showing what I'm eating, how I'm tracking my macros, or not really. I don't really track macros that much. I don't worry about it a whole lot. I kind of like to just take into account my carbs, but I think maybe since I've lost the weight and gotten down that I don't have to 200 pounds to lose, I only have 75 more pounds to lose, or 50 more pounds to lose.
That's very good.
Yes,
that's
thank you, Mommy. Good. So I'm gonna
because everybody, oh, your hair is so cute, but I don't want my hair to be so cute. I want my head fixed.
So I'm gonna actually the lady that helped me when she didn't personally help me. I found her on YouTube and on Facebook, but her name's Cooking Keto with Christy, but anyway, she has now joined up with diet doctors who do low carb, and I went online and they have some sample meal plans, and you can do a free trial and everything, so I think I'm going to try them. They have a 14-day meal plan, so I'm going to try that, and I'll take y'all along and show y'all what I'm eating and what I'm cooking, and if it works for me, if I like it or if I don't like it, or the parts that I do like, the parts that I don't like. But anyway, y'all stay tuned for that if you're interested. But I am still going to have my craft videos, and I really am going to get started on my kitchen. I got all kind of projects lined up, so y'all stay tuned. Remember, if Sissy can do it, if Sissy can get off her butt and do it, you can do it too. So y'all get out there, go shopping, do what makes you happy. And y'all have a great weekend. Bye!